At some point in life, we all face that lack of confidence. That moment when we think, am I good enough? Can I really do this? But if I told you that confidence is not something you are born with, it's something you build over time. Think about a little child learning to walk. He falls multiple times but never gives up. He keeps trying until one day he walks without failing. But as we grow up, that fearless attitude fades away. We start worrying, but if I fail, but people will think. That's why the biggest secret to confidence is this: confidence comes from taking action. Let me tell you a story. There was a boy named Arav. He was extremely shy. Every time he had to talk to someone, his heart would race, and when he tried to give a presentation in class, he would make excuses. One day, his teacher gave him a simple trick. He said, whenever you scared, just count backward from 5 and take action before your brain stops you. At first, Arab thought it was silly, but he decided to try it. The next time his teacher asked a question in class, he counted 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and raised his hand before his fear took over. Slowly, he started setting small goals. First, he practiced speaking in front of a friend, then in front of two people, then in a small group. A few months later, the same Arab who was afraid of speaking stood on the school stage and gave a speech in front of hundreds of students. And I thought about it was the magic. No, he simply took small steps and built his confidence gradually. If you want to build unstable confidence, start with these three things. Number one, stop overthinking. Take action within 5 seconds. Whenever you feel hesitate about doing something, talking to someone, answering a question, or stepping on step, or counting backward from 5 and just do it. Think too much gives fear the power to stop you, but taking action breaks that fear instantly. Number two, set small goals and achieve them. Confidence does not come overnight. It grows when you set small challenges for yourself and overcome them. If you are afraid to speak in front of crowd, start within one person. Then move to two, then five, and keeps increasing the number step by step. You will build unstoppable confidence. Number three, keep track of small wins. Every time you accomplish something, write it down, no matter how small, acknowledges your progress. The next time you feel self doubt, look at your past victories and remind yourself how far you are come. Confidence is not a gift, it's a skill, and just like any skill, the more you practice, the stronger it becomes. Now it's your turn. Which step will you start applying today? Comment below and make a promise to yourself. Every day you will take one step toward becoming more confident.